Chopper style, chopper style, chop, chop, she walk, chop, chop. Hey guys, happy new year. Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to hop on really quickly and let you guys know why I've been MIA and not uploading any videos. So basically, I was moving, and so that took a lot of time to get settled in. Also, a new semester of school started up at the same time that I was moving, and I also worked. So all of those things took away from time that I typically spend to make my YouTube videos. So I just want to thank all of my subscribers for being patient, for commenting on my older videos and asking for updates. You guys have been super encouraging, and I just love the unity that is in the locking community on YouTube so much, and I miss you guys, and I can't wait to get back into the swing of things. So it is my 1 year anniversary, my 12-month update, and I'm super excited to tell you guys all the stuff that has been going on with this hair. So let's get into that. Here we go, guys. Hey guys, so this is how my locks look now, and I'm absolutely in love with them. They're finally looking mature. Yay! Here's a close-up of my roots and my hair. As you can see, there are no defined parts. This is how they look in the back. I want to say that my locks started to look like actual locks for real at around 8 months. Before that, I really couldn't tell a difference in my hair. So if you're going through a lock journey or thinking about it, I really suggest that you document or take pictures of your hair every couple of months. That way you won't get as discouraged, because sometimes when you're going through certain stages, it feels like your hair isn't growing. It feels like it's just not doing anything. And that way you have pictures to look back at, and it'll really help you to look back and say, okay, my hair is changing, it is growing, and it helps you to be a little bit more patient with the process. For those of you who don't follow me on Instagram, you wouldn't know that I shaved the right side of my head. I was really getting bored with my locks around the 8-month time period, and I really just needed a change. I needed to spice it up because I just was not feeling it. I was not feeling the frizz, and so I just went and randomly cut my hair. I didn't plan it, and that's why I don't have any footage of that. But yeah, I loved how it came out. It's very edgy, and it's just me. I feel like it fits me. So at the time that I shaved my head, some of my locks were marrying each other because, you know, I don't have any real parts or any defined parts. So some of the locks at the top actually had to get cut off. Now, I was planning to reattach them, but the locks that I cut got lost when I was moving somehow, and now I guess I'm just gonna have to grow my 3 little twigs out. So during the Mercury retrograde, I accidentally chopped off one of my locks. I know, what the hell. I basically was popping my locks to keep them separated halfway through, and I decided that instead of popping them, I was going to cut the little pieces in the middle, conjoining the locks. Never ever do this, you guys, especially during a Mercury retrograde. I thought that this would make the process faster, and while I was doing it, I was tired. This was during finals, and I was kind of distracted because I was watching Netflix and I accidentally cut into the root of my lock, and I was so dramatic. I started hollering like my poor little lock was just hanging by a thread. So I do have that lock actually, and once I figure out how to reattach it, I'm going to, because that really hurt my feelings, y'all. I do want to let you guys know about my maintenance now. I have changed a little bit of it. Just starting this month, I started to tie my hair up to cut back on the lint and frizz. I still don't put oil in my hair, but I'm thinking about it because it's really cold here where I live in Michigan, and the air is a bit drier, and so I feel like it kind of dries out my hair, but so far it hasn't needed it, so I haven't done that. And also I do wash my hair about every 2 weeks or once a month, depending on what I feel like my hair needs. I'm not on a strict schedule with it. Also, I no longer use the black soap from my 2-month video, which was the Talija Wajid black soap shampoo. And so now I use Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Hemp and Peppermint shampoo. I also use it on my body as well. It gets my hair really, really clean, and it's like a 2-for-1 deal, so you can't really beat it. So how often do you guys wash your locks? I'm just curious because I've gotten different responses from different people. So some people say they're washing their hair about once a week. Some people say once every couple of months. So let me know in the comments below how often you actually wash your locks. So that's it, you guys, for my 12-month update, Lociversary. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, and share and all that good stuff. And also just thank you for sharing in this experience with me. If you guys have any questions, leave comments below, or just comments in general. Let me know. You know, I always try to reach out to you guys. And that's it. Peace, love, and good vibrations, you guys.